Here's how to make 3D characters you can animate with a photo using AI. First, go to Trellis, the link is in the description, then upload your image. After that, click Generate and wait for it to load. Note that Hugging Face has a usage quota that prevents infinite model generation, so be mindful of that. Once it's done generating, click Extract GLB. Then, click Download GLB. Open Blender and import the model. Before we start rigging, go to Edit, then Preferences. In Add-ons, find and enable Rigify. Now let's start rigging. Press Shift-A, go to Armature, then Rigify Meta Rigs, and pick the one that suits your model. Size it to your model. Enter Edit mode and delete any unnecessary bones. If your model is symmetrical, press N, go to Tool, and in Edit mode, enable X-axis mirror. It will basically mirror the other side of the meta rig. Now align the bones to your model. After aligning the parts, select your model, then select the meta rig last, press Ctrl-P, and choose Automatic Weights. Go to the Data tab and scroll down and find Generate Rig. Align the new rig. Select the model and the new rig, press Ctrl-P, and click Automatic Weights. Now export it as an FBX. If you want to keep the textures, click the Path Mode drop-down on the top right and choose Copy, then click the button on the right to embed the textures onto the model. Now click Export. Import the model into Roblox Studio. Now, in the animation editor, you can move the joints. I'll make an NPC that follows me around as an example. Now the character comes after me with an animation. Since Roblox Studio released an update that changes the layout, you now have to go to the Avatar tab and click Setup, then import your 3D model. Though if you want the old layout, go to File on the top left, click Beta Features and find Next Gen Studio Preview. Uncheck it, then click Save. Restart Roblox Studio and you're done. That's it for now. Please comment what you think I should do next.